Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to look at these Real Essentials long sleeve athletic shirts. So I generally will buy these in sets of 3, and each time you do that you can pick a different color. I bought quite a few of these. These are basically designed for very comfortable wearing if you're doing something athletic, hunting, fishing, golf, anything outdoors. Now, I wear these though because I work outdoors a lot. I am basically a handyman and I love wearing these outside because they offer a UV protection, which is really nice. You can read about that in the description. But they also offer these in big and tall. So you can get these in like a triple X, or you can get them in a triple X with the tall so that they make the backs a little bit longer. I do like that. But they're extremely comfortable. So if you're reaching and trying to do things, they move with you. Really great. They are also wicking, which means that they will wick the sweat away from your body and allow you to actually dry out. So it's a great product. If you need some really good shirts to work in or in sports, if you're a golfer, hunter, fisherman, you name it, if you're a runner, whatever it is that you do, I don't think you'll go wrong with these shirts. So do yourself a favor and grab yourself a set today. We will see you guys on the next one.